Hello everyone, welcome to ALM. As industry leader in ball screw design and manufacturing, ALM offers ground and rolled ball screw in standard and custom configuration for various applications. Here are the popular ball screw models we have mass-produced before. This one diameter 4 mm, available lead from 1 mm to 6 mm. This one diameter 5 mm, available lead from 1 mm to 2 mm. This one diameter 6 mm, available lead from 1 mm to 10 mm. This one diameter 8 mm, available lead from 1 mm to 12 mm. This one diameter 10 mm, available lead from 1 mm to 20 mm. This one diameter 12 mm, available lead from 1 mm to 20 mm. This one diameter 14 mm, available lead from 2 mm to 4 mm. This one diameter 25 mm, available lead from 2 mm to 32 mm. Benefits of ALM ball screw. Highest accuracy can be C0. Ball screw max length up to 6 meters. Available in stainless steel and barren steel material. Nickel plating, black coating, DLC and other custom surface coatings are available. High efficiency, about 95%. And low power consumption. High rigidity, zero backlash, smooth and near silent operation. Custom shaft end and nut dimension. Click on our website to find more ball screws.